Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Vilgam. I am with you here again in an offline class for social science. You know that it is from this week's part of your subject. My topic is public facilities. In previous lesson, I told you that what are public facilities, and we discussed a bit about a major an essential public facility, that's water. Today I am going to tell you that water is a basic public facility and it is provided to public by the government by successful hands. Private hands are too poor to provide this facility to the public. It was tried at many levels that water could be supplied to the public by private hands, but it was not so much successful. No doubt, in present days, there are some examples that it is tried to be done, but at a minor level, the majority of people cannot be served this way. There are only the large hands of the concerned governments of any region, of any country, or of any state that can provide successfully this facility to the public at suitable rates and easily and up to the mark. Here we see, as per the syllabus, I am supposed to be within the limits of that. That the water in Chennai is available and affordable by all. We have been asked to discuss that is the water in Chennai available and affordable by all. We have to say something about it. I'll try to keep things before you. Chennai, it is a part of India India from this very country. And Chennai, there is a big problem of water, and it is neither available nor affordable by all. In posh area like Ananagar, there is no storage of water, but in a majority of the areas, there is storage of water, and people are facing this problem. In Malapur area, municipal water comes once in 2 days. Many people purchase water from tankers and they spend rupees 500 to 600 per month. In certain areas, drinking water supply is once in 4 days. In Madipapkam area, people buy Bisleri jerry cans, but poor people can't afford Bisleri water. In summer season, the flow of water becomes a trickle. People have to wait long hours for water tankers. So, as an example that has been quoted here and that we have been asked to discuss about, we came to know that in some parts of the country, the water facility is not available and affordable by the people. So people face difficulties. As an example, here we were asked to discuss about the water supply in one of the famous cities of India, that is Chennai. It was as per our syllabus. We saw that the people of the concerned area, as per this information, are facing difficulties in this public facility. In next lessons, inshallah, I will be telling you much more things about this topic and about public facilities. Today, I think this is sufficient. I will be leaving you with the request again that you will be paying keen interest towards what's being delivered to you from this end. I hope that you will easily prepare yourselves for the forthcoming examination and you'll be cautious enough for enriching your knowledge about these topics. Hoping you a bright future and a nice day ahead. I'm leaving you this time. Goodbye. Till next. Thank you.